All right, so welcome back, guys. Let's see how do we install TensorFlow on a Ubuntu 16.04 distribution. To do this, we need to go to TensorFlow site and go to installs directory, and that gives us the clear instruction on how do we install TensorFlow. So there are four variants of installation. One is the CPU only installation. One is a GPU type of installations. So I'll be doing CPU only kind of installation in this demo. So we need to have pip already installed in Ubuntu to do this, and I copy uh, the command. So here I have my putty which has been opened on SSH to the Ubuntu what I'm showing here. So I'll just paste the command and then hit enter. So this will take some time and it will start installing TensorFlow on your system. So as you can see, it's downloading TensorFlow wheel uh, from the distribution. It will take a few minutes and then get installed. Here we see it has installed the TensorFlow, and now it goes on installing various other dependent packages of TensorFlow. It might take not more than a minute. All right, so TensorFlow is installed on my Ubuntu distribution. To check if I have correctly installed, I'll just enter Python and import TensorFlow as TF, and it should not throw me any error. To see which version of TensorFlow I've installed, I'll just print the version using this command. And I see I've installed TensorFlow 1.12 version, and this is how we install TensorFlow. Thanks for watching.